I would like to show you what the project can do as far as stamping is concerned or engraving. Now in our industry, obviously that has been something that's been difficult for many years. If you use a hand stamp, you stamp the piece, it would just mar it. You would get a flat edge or you would push out the metal. Lately, we've been laser engraving, but both of those ways are just expensive. But because of the project, we can actually engrave the piece in the CAD file. Let me show you something. We have engraved the inside of this ring with all the stamps that we use daily in our industry. It's engraved right into your CAD file. And here is the ring, out of casting, with all the letters and all the stamps on the inside. This is something that's going to save you time and give you more flexibility to do what you need to do for your clients, because not every client is going to buy in platinum and not every client is going to buy in silver, and they're going to buy everything in between. That is the advantage of having a CAD file that you can change and print without worrying about how you're going to engrave it. The other thing you should think about is you can put raised lettering. And this barrel, not only are parts of it raised, but inside those raised parts, we have engraved what the customer wants. Imagine trying to stamp this front and back. Our customers continue to outdo themselves with some incredible designs that we have been able to print on the project from 3D Systems.